Hi, first graders. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Today we are reviewing vowel teams. We are going to work with the vowel team OW that can say O as in snow. We're going to work with the vowel team AW that says aw, and we're going to work with the vowel team EA that can say E. The first word we're going to write is the word throw. Finger stretch. O. Throw. With your pencil, please write throw. O. O-W says O. Please underline the vowel team. Then with your crayon, you're going to write throw again. O. Underlining the vowel team, OW says O. And last with marker, O. Underlining the vowel team, OW says O. Our next word is the word crawl. K-R-A-W-L. Crawl. Pencils. K-R-A-W-L. A-W says aw. With crayon. K-R-A-W. A-W again says aw. Then with marker, K-R-A-W. Crawl. Our next word is team. T-E-M. Team. T-E-A says E. Team. E-A says E as in eagle. With crayon, underlining the vowel team. With marker, underlining the vowel team. Our next word is show. Show. S-H, consonant digraph. O. O-W says O. Please pause the video and write show with crayon and marker. Our next word is saw. S-aw. Saw. S-aw. Saw. A-W says aw. Please pause the video and write saw with the vowel team A-W with crayon and marker. Our next word is beach. B-E-Ch. Beach. B-E-Ch. Beach. E-A says E. Beach. Please pause the video and write beach with crayon and marker. Then we have the word grow. G-R-O. Grow. G-R-O. O-W says O. Please pause the video and write grow 2 more times. Our next word is straw. S-t-r-a. Straw. S-t-r-a. Straw. A-W says aw. Please pause the video and write straw 2 more times. Then we have the word dream. D-R-E-M. Dream. D-R-E-M. Dream. E-A says E. Please pause the video and write dream 2 more times. Our last word is know, as in I know. I am smart. Know. We have a silent K, and then we have N-O. Silent K first. N-O. O-W says O. Please pause the video and write no 2 more times. Please write your name at the top of your paper. We are working with long E sound, E-Y. E-Y says E. Our first word in our word bank is chimney. Chimney. The arrow is pointing to the chimney. Our next word is donkey. E-Y says E. Donkey. A donkey is like a cousin to a horse. Donkey. Then we have hockey. Hockey. Here is our hockey stick and our puck. Hockey. Our next word is honey. Honey bees make honey. Then we have jersey. A jersey is what an athlete wears when he's playing football. This is a jersey. Our next word is money. Money. Ooh, see that dollar sign? Money, money, money. Oh, then we have a monkey. Ooh, ooh, ha, 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 ha. Monkey. Our next word, turkey. We normally eat turkey around Thanksgiving. Look at this cute little turkey and all his feathers. Turkey. And our last word is valley. A valley is found between 2 mountains. So right here, this part is called the valley. You're then going to take your word bank and write it underneath the correct picture. So our first word is chimney. Ch-I-M-N-E. Chimney. You're going to cross it off when you're done. Next word is donkey. Donkey. Cross it off when you're done. I'm going to let you finish the rest on your own. When you're done, turn it in the top basket and move on to Lexia. Way to go.